This will be our intro.
Good morning.
Good morning, people. To be here. And who's with me?
Me.
Who are you?
Good morning, people! Halatang medyo groggy pa kami ni Crystal. Wala pa kaming energy for a proper vlog intro. Parehong inaantok pa kasi kami. Pero ganun talaga, mami's duty muna tayo. At syempre, gusto ko pa rin kayong isama sa journey namin for today. From the sleepy drive hanggang sa kung anong ganap pa mamaya. So, buckle up, sama kayo sa drive at tingnan natin kung ano pang mangyayari sa araw na to. Let's start the day together!
Ihahatid ko lang si Crystal sa school. Malapit na kami. Mommy's duty. So we're here in your school now. Get ready now.
Ouch.
Is it heavy?
I forgot all my glasses, Marlon.
Just put it down now.
Oh, where? Oh, hurry up, they're here. Anna.
Bye.
Bye.
Love you.
Bye.
Bye. Let's go back home. So strange today. Kasi wala masyadong sasakyan at mga estudyante. Usually kasi ma-traffic eh. Baka maaga lang kaming dumating. We're going out. Come on. Come, let's get ready. Today is my off day. So, ang gagawin namin ni Chantal ngayon ay punta kami sa 7th floor. Andun yung kami doon, mag-walking. We're going for a walk. Kasi si Crystal, since nasa school siya and kami lang ni Chantal dito and wala rin akong pasok. And still early, hindi pa ganun kainit. So, dalhin ko siya dun sa mag-walking. So, anyway, may isi-share pala ko sa inyo. Ito siya. Last na lang to. Last na sachet. First time kong nag-take nitong barley from I Am Worldwide Amazing. And then I will just share. Why? This is mommy drink. Okay. So I just want to share kasi sobrang ganda niya. Meron kasi akong gastric. So every morning like mga 8 or 7, minsan 7 or before mag 7, mararamdaman ko na yung acid. So, nagigising na lang ako or minsan pa nga mas maaga yung sobrang aga, magigising ako kasi napifeel ko yung acid. But nung nag-try ako nito for 10 days today, so iniinom ko siya consistently for 10 days now, pang last ko na to. And napapansin ko na hindi na ako wala na akong napifeel na acid. And iniinom ko siya pag like 30 minutes bago bago yung meal, yung breakfast ko. So, ito muna yung iniinom ko. And then, sobrang amazing. Ano sa kanila? Bagay yung yung pangalan ng company or yung pangalan ng product na Amazing Pure Organic Barley. So, definitely, mag-o-order pa ako. And also, parang I discovered na rin ng yung pang-energize sa mga mommies. Kasi 'di ba, alam ko mga mommies diyan, you can relate to this. Yung pag may mga toddler or babies pa tayo, sobrang kulit, sobrang active, tapos lalo na pag full-time mommy ka, so yung energy mo parang nauubos na in the whole day. Sila hindi pa ubos kahit patulog na, active pa din. Pero dahil dito sa barley, napapansin ko na mas active ako, na-energize ako. So yeah, this is the amazing product. Parang matcha. Masarap din naman yung niya, yung lasa. Or siguro sanay lang akong uminom ng mga walang masyadong lasa.
Mommy.
Oh, okay. Tapusin ko lang to, tapos lalabas na tayo, ha, Chantal, ha? You off the TV, we're going out. You go take your hair tie. Okay? You want to go out? Walk, walk.
What?
Walk, walk.
Okay.
Chantal, go walk, walk.
Okay.
Okay. We're going out for a walk. So that Chantal will have exercise.
Right.
You go for an exercise.
Hi.
You have to tie your hair because you will get sweat.
What?
Sweat.
Yeah.
Okay, hold on. Can mommy borrow? Thank you.
Okay. Mommy.
Yes. Can mommy borrow again? Thank you.
Okay.
You're so cute. Alright, come on. Give me one hair tie. Thank you.
Okay.
Welcome. So cute. So cute, my baby girl. Oh, okay.
One.
Another one. Another one. You can borrow this. Thank you. Welcome. So cute. Okay. Is it pantay na? Welcome. Wow, so beautiful. Oh my God, so beautiful. Let's go. Okay, put back that one. We're going out. Put back. Let me see the face, the beautiful face. Oh, so cute. Here, baby. Come on. Walk, walk. Careful, baby. Be careful. Can mommy hold you? Come on. Oops! Oh, big girl. Alam kong gustong-gusto ni Chantal dito kasi merong swimming pool. Pero hindi kami mag-swimming today. Come on, let's go for a walk. Here, meron kasing mini forest. Mini forest here in our condominium at 7th floor. Okay, there you can walk. Go walk. Walk. It's okay, mommy's here. We find a place to blow your bubbles. Here, got a lot of flowers, Chantal.
Flower.
Flowers! Flowers!
Flower.
You want to pick one? Can we pick one? Please, flower, just one. Okay, 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 okay. Oh no!
No.
Let me take one. Or maybe there's a... Thank you.
Got one.
One. No need to pick. No need to pick the flowers because they're so pretty. Oh, they got hurt. Ouchie, ouchie, boo boo. Ouchie, ouchie.
What?
Bird. Wow, there's a lot of tweet here. Let's go. Perfect yung weather kasi hindi mainit. Woo! Careful. Another one. Yeah. You can sit here. Let's find a place to sit. I'll help you to blow the bubbles.
Bubbles.
Ay! Okay, you blow. Or you? Hide! That's okay, mommy help you. Perfect yung weather kasi hindi mainit. Pero hindi rin siya mahangin. Kaya nakaka-sweat pa din siya. Hello, Chantal! Hey there, people! Good afternoon. Isang maulan na hapon. Susunduin ko na si Crystal, kaya lang hindi ko alam kung paano ako bababa ngayon kasi maulan. And then kasama ko pa itong si Chantal. Kaya pala kaninang umaga nung nag-walking kami, yung maganda yung sikat ng araw kasi hindi siya mainit. Kaya pala ganon kasi uulan sa hapon. So, I'm thinking on how am I going to go down now with this little girl. Hello, little girl.
Hello.
Are you cute?
You're cute.
Yes? You got long hair already, Chantal. Hello, why you're like a monkey?
Monkey.
Oh my god, monkey.
There was a farmer had a dog and Bingo was his name. B-I-N-G-O, 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 and Bingo was his name.
We're going to eat lunch here in Chicken Rice. Hi, Chichen.
Hi.
Hi, Chantal. busy. Let's go.
Bye.
We're full already. Chantal still got food in her mouth. We're gonna wait here.
Mama.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Flying kiss.
Thank you for watching.